Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the error message that appears near your email ID in the Chrome browser. This issue is usually related to account sync and can be fixed by re-authenticating your Google account. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Look at the top right corner and click on your profile icon. This is the small circle with your photo or initials in it. When you click on it, you may see a message showing an error or sync problem. Now click on the option that says sync is on or directly click on the error message if you see one. This will open the You and Google settings page. On this screen, look for the option to turn off sync. Click on turn off to sign out of syncing. This step helps Chrome reset the connection with your Google account. After turning off sync, close Chrome completely and make sure all Chrome windows are closed. Then open Chrome again. This refreshes the browser and clears temporary sync issues. Once Chrome reopens, click on your profile icon again in the top right corner. Now select Turn on Sync or Sign in again. Chrome will ask you to sign in with your Google account. Enter your email and password, then follow the on-screen steps to finish signing in. After signing back in, Chrome will reconnect your account and sync your data again. The error message near your email ID should now be gone. Thanks for watching.